Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Flow Launcher if it's not opening on your Windows computer. If the application won't launch, crashes immediately, or doesn't respond when you try to open it, don't worry. There are several simple solutions you can try, so let's get started. First, restart your computer, and then try opening Flow Launcher again. Sometimes temporary Windows glitches or background processes can prevent the application from starting correctly, and a quick restart is enough to solve the problem. Next, open Task Manager and check whether Flow Launcher is already running in the background. If you find a Flow Launcher process, select it and click End Task. Then try launching the application again. Yeah, this often fixes issues caused by a frozen or unresponsive process. If Flow Launcher still doesn't open, make sure you're using the latest version. Visit the official Flow Launcher website or GitHub releases page and download the newest update if one is available. Updating the application can resolve bugs and compatibility issues with newer versions of Windows. You can also try running Flow Launcher as an administrator. Right-click the application shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If the problem continues, uninstall the application and reinstall the latest version from the official source to replace any missing or corrupted files. Finally, check that your Windows system is fully updated. Installing the latest Windows updates can improve compatibility and resolve issues that may prevent Flow Launcher from working properly. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Flow Launcher when it isn't opening. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.